Welcome on the fascinating field of pattern science. There are patterns everywhere we look, from the complex patterns found in nature to the ordered sequences found in mathematics and other fields. The fundamental ideas behind patterns, their importance in various fields, and how they are essential to comprehending the world we live in will all be covered in this video. So let's set out on the quest to unlock the mysteries of patterns and learn about their profound influence on our lives. The study of patterns in nature, often referred to as patterns in natural phenomena or natural patterns, is a scientific discipline that focuses on the identifying and understanding recurring organized structures or behaviors in the natural world. The environment contains countless patterns. These patterns exist in numerous shapes and contexts, and they can be quantitatively modeled. Examples of these are symmetrical patterns, tessellation patterns, wave patterns, spots and stripes, and spiral patterns. So first, let's discover about different nature of patterns.
First is symmetrical patterns. Symmetrical patterns are referred to as recurring and balanced shapes, and they can be seen in many different elements of the natural world.
This design displays symmetry, which denotes a regular and pleasing distribution of its constituent parts. Natural symmetrical patterns are fascinating and may be seen all around the world. Examples include fractal symmetry, bilateral symmetry, and radial symmetry.
Next pattern we have are the tessellations.
Tessellations. Tessellations are sometimes referred to as tessellation patterns. These are the type of geometric patterns that completely covers a surface.
Tessellations are essentially a means to entirely fill a space with forms or tiles in order to produce a continuous and consistent pattern. In mathematics, design, and the arts, these patterns are frequently employed. This can be seen in walls, bricks, walking ways, and other areas with a continuous and consistent pattern. Some examples of patterns with natural tessellations are the sunflower petals, the pineapple skin, and the honeycomb.
Spots and stripes. Spots and stripes patterns are frequently seen on the hair, feathers, or skin of numerous animals in nature. These patterns have numerous functions, including temperature regulation, concealment, and communication. These patterns can occasionally serve as individuals' only means of identification within a species. Spots and stripes patterns are intergoing adaptations that reflect the diversity of life in the natural world, whether they are used for social interaction or survival.
The weave pattern in nature refers to the occurrence of various types of weave in a natural world. These weave patterns are seen in a variety of natural phenomena. One of the most well-known instances of weave pattern in nature is probably ocean waves. Enormous vast ocean. Weave come in different size and shape and can cover great distance in the open sea.
Spiral patterns are a geometric design or shape that circles around the central point or axis.
Expanding or contracting as it expands or contrasts as it stretches outward. Spirals are enthralling due to their visual appeal and mathematical elegance. Mathematics is essential for comprehending nature's complicated patterns and activities. It gives a language for describing natural phenomena ranging from planet motion to plant development patterns.
Mathematics serves as a foundation for comprehending and altering our environment, hence propelling growth and innovation.